It's late 2019, a crowded London bar. A young black woman sits opposite a middle-aged man wearing a Burberry suit. Cambridge graduate Helen works for a think tank that pressures big financial funds to make ethical investments. She is looking to uncover some of the shadier dealings of hedge funds for her podcast, so she is surprised but excited that John, a senior broker from one of London's biggest hedge funds, has agreed to her request to meet. They talk late into the evening. The story Helen is after eludes her, but she is moved by the way John looks at her and listens so intensely. He seems like a bit of a dark horse, a surprisingly sensitive soul. They agree to meet again, so John can tell her more about Springtree Capital, his hedge fund, and its corporate culture. At least, they are both happy to pretend that that's why they want to stay in touch.
I walk back to Canary Wharf station. Standing on the deserted platform, I feel this new elation inside me. I remember a different bar, a different time. It was just after the Big Bang. My best mate David and I were toasting Thatcher's glorious deregulation of the financial markets. This beautiful woman, Ruth, walked in. We persuaded her with bottles of Moët to join us. I'd forgotten how light I felt, floating on the air of ambition and desire. The future seemed endlessly bright.
Since the 60s, news from the city has mattered to more and more people. No one makes anything here except money.
How do I explain what's invisible? But it's everywhere. How do I make an honest living when nothing is fair? How do I know that I'm normal when no one cares? No one cares. I'm just trading in air. I'm just trading in air.
We are young, we are precious, all our lives are ahead. You opened my eyes to a world I didn't know that was there. You touch my hand and I know we have riches to share. Riches to share.
We're just trading in air. We're just trading in air. This engagement, we're now at Canary Wharf.
Cheers to Big Bang, cheers to Thatcher. She's kicked open the door. No more controls on commissions. Foreign banks live all. A toast to good friends as computers hit the stock exchange floor.